Alright, 8th graders, we have another review lesson. What is the sum of the angle measures of a triangle? It is 180 degrees. So the sum tells us that we're adding, and all three of the angle measures add up to 180. So, in this case, x plus 90 plus 32 equals 180. And I can solve this. I keep my x. 90 plus 32 is 122. And then subtract 122 from both sides. X equals 58 degrees on number 1. So I'm going to have you go ahead and do number 2. And then on number 3, we'll do together. On number 3, we know that the sum of the angles is 180, so x plus 50 equals 180. X plus x makes 2x plus 50 equals 180. So I subtract 50 from both sides. 2x equals 130, and x then equals 65 degrees. I'm going to have you do number 4 for homework. On 5, 6, and 7, directions say tell whether a triangle can have the given angle measures. If not, change the first angle measure so that the angle measure does form a triangle. So we know that the angle measures have to equal 180, so all we have to do is check. There's 110 plus 28 plus 42 equal 180. 8, 9, 10, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So yes, that forms a triangle. Number 2, we're going to add them up. 77, 98, 15. Minus 20. 190. So, no, that doesn't make a triangle. And it says change the first angle measure so that it does make a triangle. Well, we're 10 over. So if I subtract 10, 67 degrees would make a triangle. I want you to do number 7 for homework. And number 8 says find the value of x on the clothes hanger. What type of triangle must the hanger be to hang clothes evenly? So all I want you to do is find out what x equals, because we're going to talk about what the different types of triangles are. So number 8 for homework as well. If you turn your paper over, you're not going to work with a group. I am going to tell you about each of the triangles. A right triangle has one right angle. An acute triangle has all angles less than 90 degrees. An obtuse triangle has one angle greater than 90 degrees. equiangular has 3 equal angles. Alright, so right, acute, obtuse, and equiangular is talking about the angles. Equilateral, isosceles, and scalene. Somehow scalene got left off of the list, but we'll add it back on. Equilateral, isosceles, and scalene are talking about side lengths. So equilateral has 3 equal sides. Isosceles has 2 equal sides. And 2 equal angles. And then letter G which you can put at the bottom of your page, but I'm gonna put it over here. Letter G should say scalene triangle. And a scalene triangle has all sides and angles are different. So, if we go back and look at our triangles, we need to name them. They all have at least 2 names. So what I mean by that is I have, if I just look at my angles, there's no right angle, so it's not a right triangle. Acute triangle has all angles less than 90. 40, 70, and 70 are all less than 90, so this is acute. So I've named it by its angles. Now I need to look about the sides. There's not 3 equal sides, but there are 2 equal sides. 70 here. This shows equal sides. So it's acute isosceles. The second one has 30, 60, and 90 for its degrees. Because it has a 90-degree angle, that makes it a right triangle. And since all 3 angles are different, that makes it a scalene triangle. Okay, so you need to have at least 2 names for this triangle, 2 names for this triangle, and this bottom one, also should have 2 names. So see if you can classify these next 3 triangles with their 2 proper names, and have a great night.